Sup everyone, today just a little quick video showing you, well, sort of an incomplete thing. So this is a Gameaxe. I don't know if you've never heard of it. It's a quite rare Famicom clone portable from around the year 2000 or so. And yeah, no, this one arrived broken. The screen was totally fucked, as in the backlight was cracked, so it was just totally black. You couldn't see shit. So yeah, what I did was used a couple Game Gears as sacrifices to get the light tubes out of those, solder them together because it takes two of them for this one, and yeah, that seems to work pretty good. Anyway, here's the issue I have right now. While the unit powers on and does its thing, the controls don't work very well. Basically what happens is nothing on this side works, but this side works fine. But here's the weird thing I noticed just today. If I press both these buttons, they actually start working, and so does like every button, so I can actually start games. And actually play them as well. So, obviously this isn't ideal, I still need to fix it. One thing I kind of suspect is the power LED. It might have been loose, as it just fell out today. It was as I was taking it apart again for like the millionth time. So maybe it's that. Guess I should actually focus. Oh, whoops. So maybe it's that. Not too sure. I need to get some flux, because I'm certainly not attempting it without any flux. So I'm going to buy some of that and do a trace repair, I guess, because the actual traces got ripped off a little bit. So yeah, I'm not even sure if that would be related or not. It looks like the trace goes through and like to the buttons, because it starts over here and then goes over there. So maybe? That's the hope anyway. Otherwise it could be this other control chip on there that might be fucked. So those are my two options. And yeah, once I get that done, I will do like an update video and actually take it apart. Well, take it apart for the camera at least, so that you can see what I did for the repair on the screen. But yeah, anyway, I think it looks pretty good. Oh, and I added a piece of tape there, cause or underneath, I should say, because without it, the backlight was like super bright on this side, because it's just not covered with anything, and the translucent plastic and all that shit. So yeah, you can see it a little bit there, but it's way better with that tape on there so that it doesn't fucking bleed out crazy. Anyway, yeah, that's this super rare system that I barely gave any information on, and I will do a future video, later, I know my videos haven't exactly been consistent, but you'll just have to trust me on this one, I guess. Anyway, thanks for watching. I guess I'll see you guys next time.